Imagine this, it's Monday morning. You just finished a weekend of holiday eating, maybe a few extra drinks, and you're feeling sluggish. Your skin doesn't look great, your energy is low, and you scroll through your feed. Suddenly, an ad pops up, reset your body in 7 days. Flush out toxins with our liver detox juice cleanse. It promises clearer skin, more energy, weight loss, and a fresh start. You think, this is exactly what I need after that party. Sound familiar? Or picture someone you care about, maybe your sister or best friend, who's been feeling off for months. Tired all the time, bloated, foggy-headed. They try a trendy foot detox pad or a heavy metal cleanse supplement because someone online said it would pull out the poisons. They spend money, feel a little better for a day or two from the placebo effect or just drinking more water, but then nothing really changes. Or worse, they feel shaky, dehydrated, or even end up in the doctor's office. This is why we're here today. These detox and cleanse trends are everywhere in 2025, juice fasts, liver flushes, colon cleanses, heavy metal chelation kits, detox teas, foot pads that supposedly turn black from toxins. Billions are spent on them every year. But here's the honest truth most people don't hear: your body is already a master detox machine. It doesn't need expensive potions or extreme fasts to cleanse itself. In this 1 to 2 hour health masterclass, I'm going to walk you through everything in simple, clear language, no medical jargon, no fear-mongering. By the end, you'll know what these trendy cleanses actually are and why they promise so much but deliver so little, or even cause harm. How your body really detoxes every single day, mostly through your liver, kidneys, gut, lungs, and skin. The real science behind what supports your natural detox systems. Hint, it's boring but powerful everyday habits. Which popular trends are mostly marketing hype, or even risky. Practical, safe steps you can take starting today to feel better without gimmicks. This isn't about shaming anyone who's tried a cleanse. I've had friends do them, and family members too. We're all just trying to feel our best in a busy, stressful world. This is about giving you the facts so you can make smarter choices for your health, and maybe help the people you love do the same. If you're here because you're curious, skeptical, or maybe even a little tempted by that next juice cleanse, stick around. You're in the right place. Let's start by understanding the basics of what these test numbers really mean. No, wait, that's not it. Let's start by understanding the basics of how your body actually handles toxins and why so many of these trends are more deception than detox. Take a deep breath. Hit that like button if you're ready to get the real story. And let's jump in. Now that you understand why this topic matters so much, let's get into the foundation. We're talking about detoxification, the idea that our bodies need to get rid of harmful stuff. But here's the calm, reassuring truth: your body is doing this job 24/7 without any help from fancy products. Think of your liver as the body's main processing plant. It filters blood, breaks down toxins from food, alcohol, medications, and even the air we breathe. It turns them into harmless things that your kidneys flush out as urine, or your gut removes as stool. Your kidneys act like superfilters, cleaning about 50 gallons of blood every day. Your lungs breathe out waste gases. Your skin sweats some out. Your gut microbiome helps too. No special cleanse needed. This system evolved over millions of years. Problems happen when we overload it with too much junk over time, not because it's broken and needs a reset. But people feel off, tired, bloated, foggy, and think toxins are the culprit. Sometimes they are, but usually it's lifestyle adding up. Let's talk about the signs and symptoms people often blame on toxin buildup. I'll break them into mild, moderate, and serious. These aren't always from toxins. They can come from stress, poor sleep, diet, or other issues. But if they persist, see a doctor. Mild signs, common, often fixable with habits: constant low energy or feeling blah. bloating or irregular digestion, dull skin or breakouts, mild headaches, trouble focusing or brain fog. Moderate signs, pay attention, these add up: persistent fatigue even after rest, unexplained weight changes, digestive issues like constipation or diarrhea, joint aches or mild inflammation, mood swings or irritability. Serious warning signs: see a doctor right away. Yellowing skin or eyes, jaundice, severe abdominal pain, dark urine or swelling in legs/ankles, extreme fatigue with confusion, unexplained bleeding or bruising. Now, what causes people to feel like they need a cleanse? Everyday things pile up: too much alcohol strains the liver, processed foods, lots of sugar, and salty snacks, inflammation and gut issues, sugary drinks and lack of fiber, slow digestion, not moving enough, poor circulation and lymph flow. Chronic stress and poor sleep raises cortisol, taxes organs. Smoking or vaping adds chemicals directly. Age and family history, natural slowdown or genetic factors. Existing conditions like diabetes, extra load on kidneys/liver. Real-life example: think of Sarah, a busy mom. She works from home, skips exercise, lives on quick snacks and coffee. After a few years, she feels bloated and tired. She tries a 3-day juice cleanse, loses 5 pounds, mostly water, feels briefly better from hydration and less junk. But the weight comes back, and nothing fixes the root. That's the deception: trends treat symptoms, not causes. Pause here. Think about your own life. Do any of these signs or habits sound familiar? Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're doing that might be overloading your natural detox system? It could be late nights, too much takeout, or stress from work. You're not alone. Let's keep watching to learn what actually helps. Next, we'll talk about how doctors check for real issues and what happens if we ignore them. If any of those signs or risk factors sound familiar, here's how this issue is usually checked and confirmed, always by professionals, not at-home kits. Health pros start simple: blood tests, check liver enzymes, ALT, AST, kidney function, creatinine, BUN, inflammation markers, blood sugar, cholesterol. These show if organs are stressed. Blood pressure checks: high pressure can signal kidney strain. Questions about lifestyle, diet, alcohol, exercise, meds, family history. This is huge. Most clues come from your daily life. Follow-up labs or imaging: ultrasound for liver/kidneys if needed, or stool tests for gut issues. No guesswork, no foot pads or at-home toxin tests that mean anything scientifically. Remember, this is general education. Never ignore abnormal results or self-diagnose. Always talk to a qualified healthcare professional for your own situation. If ignored long-term, possible complications include fatty liver turning into inflammation or scarring, kidney strain leading to high blood pressure or reduced function, heart risks from inflammation, ongoing fatigue, digestive problems, or skin issues. But here's the hopeful part: most of this is preventable or reversible early with lifestyle. Routine checkups catch things early. Track your numbers over time. Improve diet, move more, quit smoking, manage stress. These support your body's natural detox better than any trend. Quick reminder: this isn't personal medical advice. See your doctor for your health decisions. Let's take a quick break for some reflection before we get practical. Okay, friends, let's pause the info for a moment and connect. This is a long video, and I appreciate you still being here. You're investing in your health, and that's huge. Take 30 seconds right now, think about your habits. How's your sleep? Do you get 7 to 9 hours, or are you scrolling late? What about diet, lots of veggies and water, or more processed stuff? Exercise: do you move most days, even a 20-minute walk? Stress: How are you handling work or family pressure? Alcohol or smoking, any habits there? Have you ever seen abnormal blood work and brushed it off? Be honest in the comments, share one habit you're proud of, or one you're ready to change. Or tell me, have you tried a detox trend? What happened? Your stories help others feel less alone. If this is helping, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need accurate info. Share with a friend or family member who might be tempted by the next cleanse ad. Subscribing and turning on notifications means you won't miss future videos on real health topics. Here's a quick win while we talk. Try this mini habit today. Drink a full glass of water right now. Add lemon if you like. It supports your kidneys gently. Small stuff adds up. Coming up, as promised, we'll go step by step through a practical, evidence-based plan, what you can do daily to support your body's detox without extremes. Plus, we'll bust common myths in an FAQ. Stick with me, you're doing great. Now, as promised, let's go step by step through what you can actually do in your daily life to improve or protect your body's natural detox systems. This is sustainable, not a 7-day quick fix. Diet tips: more whole foods, load up on fruits, veggies, especially cruciferous like broccoli, kale, fiber-rich foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil. Less added sugar, refined carbs, salty processed foods, unhealthy fats. Real example: swap soda for water with fruit slices. Add greens to every meal. Exercise: realistic goals, 20 to 30 minutes most days, walking, light strength training, or daily activity. Movement helps lymph flow and circulation. Sleep: aim for 7 to 9 hours. Simple routine: dim lights an hour before bed, no screens, consistent time. Stress management: try deep breathing, 4-7-8 method, short walks, or talking to someone. Small daily relaxation helps cortisol. Routine checkups: see your doctor yearly, or as recommended. Track numbers over time. Do's and don'ts: do, hydrate, lots of water, eat plants, move, sleep well. Don't, rely on extreme fasts, unproven supplements, colonics, can disrupt gut balance or cause dehydration/electrolyte issues. FAQ: myths versus facts. Myth: if I feel fine, I can ignore potential issues. Fact: many problems build silently. Regular checkups catch them early. Myth: juice cleanses or detox teas remove toxins. Fact: no strong evidence. Your liver/kidneys do this. Juice cleanses may cause temporary water weight loss but often lead to rebound, plus risks like blood sugar swings or nutrient gaps. Myth: diet alone fixes everything. Fact: diet helps a lot, but combine with movement, sleep, stress management. Severe issues need professional care. Myth: all supplements are safe for detox. Fact: many aren't regulated. Some harm the liver. Talk to a doctor first. Myth: cologne cleanses or foot pads pull out toxins. Fact: no scientific support. Your body doesn't store toxin sludge like ads show. We've covered a lot today. Let's recap the main points. Your body detoxes naturally through liver, kidneys, gut, and more. No trendy cleanses required. Many popular trends: juice fasts, liver detoxes, foot pads, heavy metal kits, lack evidence and can pose risks like dehydration, nutrient loss, or gut disruption. Signs like fatigue or bloating often come from lifestyle, not mysterious toxins. Doctors diagnose with tests and lifestyle questions, not gimmicks. Ignoring issues can lead to complications, but early habits prevent most. The best support? Whole foods, hydration, movement, sleep, stress management, and regular checkups. Your action plan this week: keep it simple and realistic. Book or schedule a checkup if overdue. Look at old lab reports if you have them. Add one healthy meal a day, more veggies. Take a 20-minute daily walk. Improve sleep by 30 minutes, earlier bedtime. Reduce one unhealthy habit, e.g., less sugar or alcohol. Small, consistent changes make a massive difference over months, not days. You're not broken. You don't need to be reset. You're capable of feeling better with gentle, evidence-based support. Be kind to yourself. You've got this. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Check out these related videos next: understanding your liver enzymes, and simple daily habits to support your kidneys. Let's keep building better health together.